make sure you get up. Make sure you get out here, man. Make something happen. It's too much life to be living and be sitting around waiting.
Mega. Yeah.
Hey. Welcome back to another video, man. We finally got to the spot. Oh man, let's turn that off. Fire. Super fire spot, man. Thing is about here, when you get a crib, everything is furnished, huh? Look at the view though. I wonder if y'all can guess what floor I'm on. Y'all tell me in the comment. Look at the pool too. The pool wrap around the whole thing. Crazy. It's one thing about over here, man. They know how to live in luxury, but look. What floor y'all think I'm on? You know what I'm saying? A little slight flex, but what floor do y'all think I'm on, man? TV on the wall. Nice bed. Nice room. We got some closet here. Nice little closet. That's one thing I like about over here, man. Got another mirror. Everything furnished, man. You don't have to worry about no furniture. You don't have to worry about no furniture. Got a couch. Come in here. This is the kitchen area, refrigerator and a freezer. A lot of the places over here don't have both. Got a stove. I got the washing machine right here. Oh, got it. I think, yeah, this is just a washer. It's not a dryer. This is a washer. That's cool with me. Got the mic up here. Got everything. Now, this is where I'm supposed to dry your clothes at right here. They give you this and dry your clothes. And we outside, man. Sheesh. Look at this. This view is nuts, man. I can see all the way everywhere I want to see, anywhere. Look at that person down there in the pool enjoying living their best life, man. Yeah, man, Thailand, don't sleep on it. It may seem crazy when you say it, like moving to Thailand, but America burnt out, man. Everybody killing and shooting and stabbing and all of the craziness, man. Come on here and have some real peace of mind. Everything is fire. Look at this bathroom, bro. Lit. Should tell everybody in Thailand kind of short, because look, I'm about tall as the whole shower thing right there, man. But yeah, man, I'm about to take a shower. I'm about to get the crib together, and I'll be back.
Hey, go and get you some money or something. Niggas waiting on me, I ain't running. Like a horny bitch, you know I'm coming. Everything that they do, I done done it. All this motion.
So we going to the grocery store, but it's also another place over here we don't really know about. We're gonna check that place out. Oh, this is fire. This is pretty cool. This right here. I don't know what these are, but like a little temple type situation right here. So yeah, man. So this street that I'm on is called Samara. Samara, I don't know how to pronounce it really like that. This is like the main street in Bangkok. It connects to everything. It's a big tourist area. And look at that, we at Big C. Ironic. I'm thinking this is it, right? Oh yeah. Okay. It's crazy because everything down here is like a mall, man. It's like a mall. Everything is like a mall. Black Canyon coffee. I thought we was just going to the grocery store. This like a straight up mall. Like a real loud mall. Oh, it's for 59 baht. How you doing? Is Mr. C this way? Mr. C? This. All of this stuff right here. Got the KFC. They got these shits everywhere, boy. Y'all know y'all ain't never seen that in KFC. I don't know what it is, but it look good. Mr. Donut. A little bling bling up in here. Iced up. We got Dairy Queen over here. Nice. Oh, okay, it's over here. Dang, I ain't know where the hell I was going for a minute. See, it say the tourist favorite experience. This is a real popular spot. Look, it's an escalator that, without the stairs and that back going up. That's why I don't really like. I like having my afro out, but not all the time, because when I got my afro out, everybody just be looking at me. Bad enough I got a camera on my chest and I got my afro out. It's like double whammy. Oh yeah, you can walk. That's one thing about Thailand, right? When you go to one place, you're gonna be able to find multiple things. Like you can see his glasses up there. It's all type of stuff up in here, man. Oh, so you got TVs. This is a grocery store. They got TVs in here, man. They got the little service area. They got luggage. They got gold chains. I'll get you a piece of jewelry up in here. Yeah, everything, man. Curry crab. These like potato chips, baked coconut chips, jackfruit chips. They got all type of stuff up in here, man. Fish skins. Candy. They got everything. But when I come here, I always go to the same area. It's like a little butcher area over here. Look at this shit. Damn, that shit stuck me, bro. What the hell? All type of stuff going on up in here, man. I look, right? This is the craziest part about Thailand. When you come here, all of their meats is out. So it's not like America, where it's like all this shit is, you know, bagged up, frozen and stuff like that. Here is different, man. Here is really, really different. Yeah, they got all of it out here raw. That's how you know it's fresh. All fresh right here. Octopus. Look, I guess these sardines. Look, that octopus in there, John. don't know what all this is. Oh, this is squid. Okay. Little squidder. Little squid. You know what I'm saying? It's like, bro, look at this. They got whole. And you could take these fish, right? And take them over there, right here. You can see over there. He cutting up all of this stuff right there. Everything you pick up and you want, he cut it up right there for you. Crazy. And one of these big ass fish. Got different like this like type of little bologna, these little hot dogs. Little hot dog. More lunch meat. This is all they lunch meat. This is how they lunch meat come right here. Little fish balls and stuff like that. So yeah, like look, right? When you come, you grab the chicken. And you just do this. Thank you. So then they weigh it, you weigh it, and you come pay. That's how I go like that. It's fire. Gotta find, I want to do like a hamburger or something. I want to make me like a hamburger tonight. Like that ground beef right here. I'm gonna get that too. And you can see they got all the little chicken. They got all the stuff over here. Chicken feet, pork, get this pork chop, bacon. One thing they do got here, bro, that's crazy is they got chicken bacon. I went to one restaurant, and they had chicken bacon. So you got all the mushrooms, all the different type of mushrooms right here. Everything, man. Carrots, vegetables, leeks, broccoli, chilies, corn. They got everything, man. Long choy. Got the grapes right here. Apples. They got all fresh ingredients. Look at this. This shit all fresh. Garlic, pieces of garlic. Chilies, dried chilies. And all of the salad, more stuff like this. Out of this whole thing, right? Look how small. This ain't even a frozen section. I don't even think they got a frozen section up in here. That's the most craziest part. But I think I do need an onion though, man. For my burger. You know you need an onion on that burger. For the steaks though. Where they at? They got fish balls, they got crab, fish, man, they got everything. French fries. Dang, I might want to get some french fries for the burgers, right? My boy over here going slap that crazy. Little pieces of fish, little sardine. I think I'm gonna get some french fries too, man. Just to keep everything. Yeah, fries. Big ass bag of fries. 75 baht is like $1. $1.50 for all of the noodles they got. Noodles, canned veggies. I wouldn't mind some corn right now, low key. I ain't gonna do that. Trying to see what. Wanna get me some noodles, man. I've been picking a bad flavor.